Well, hello everyone, I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Yes, I got more important info, not too many of you can stomach. So the Jackson Hole meeting when it comes to central banksters is not going to happen because of COVID. So they're going to do virtual, press conference, meetup, whatever you want to call it. But let's not, be silly here. We all know that these people have already met, probably not in Jackson Hole, but they met in some hole somewhere, and they will decide about your future. Okay, this is how it's done. They did it in, we can go over Bretton Woods Agreement in 1944. I did my video on this. It's, I believe, 13 minutes long, so a pretty short video that breaks down the entire scam behind the central banking system, and I will post the link down below. It's called The House of Cards is Coming Down. I suggest you guys give it a listen. I think you like it, and if you do, share it with your family, share it with your friends, and put thumbs up. That helps this channel a lot due to YouTube algorithms, etc. So yes, they already had their meetup for sure. They already know what they're going to do. Is it going to be Fed coin? When it's going to be rolled out? Everybody knows coin shortages issues that we had for the last several months. Also cashless society. You go to, let's say, McDonald's, and your meal costs you $7.50. You give them $10 and they don't have change, so they don't have $2.50 to give you, so they round it up to 10. So people start complaining, hey, listen, I got, here's my money, I want change. No, you can pay with a debit card or credit card. So all of this is going to be implemented, and they already know what it is. Make no mistake about it. Just recently Putin put out a video. It's a 2-minute clip. I will also post this one down below, where he basically says what I've been talking about on this channel, that it does not matter who sits in the White House or anywhere else as president. They might have good intentions, but when they sit down, someone else comes in a fancy suit, in a black suit, and tells them what to do. Okay? So that's how it is. This is why I'm telling you guys to be an independent thinker, to detach from the matrix, to see the world through a different lens, to become your own bank, not to go out and buy a bank. Of course, it would be nice if we can all do that, but just to have cash at home or somewhere that you know where it's at, hard tangible assets, or anything that can be easily picked up and go in case of emergencies, or just to be able to use as means to liquidate stuff. Like, for instance, you needed to get into the market again. So yes, you need some cash because there is a big sell-off and you believe this is perfect time to get back in. So you do need cash because now you can really take advantage of certain opportunities, and they are going to be coming. You also need physical gold and silver in case the dollar, the Dixie, or purchasing power gets completely destroyed. Since 1913, compared to gold, U.S. currency lost 99% of its purchasing power. This is beyond important for everyone to understand. That's why I tell you guys to diversify. If you cannot afford $1,950 an ounce of gold, maybe you can buy 10 grams for whatever that price is. I forget, it changes, it goes up so much. It might be $500. If you don't have that much, you get a gram for $85. Or you can get 10 ounces of silver for maybe $350. So there are ways, or maybe one coin for $30 when it comes to silver. So you can do certain things to try to not only be in the dollar, whatever that amount is. I also have stock picks. I tell you guys which stocks I get in, which ones I get out to make quick profits, because I'm in the business of acquiring, making currency, and using that currency buying real money, real assets, like land, art, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, rhodium even. Rhodium is just very expensive, but if I can put my hands on some rhodium, I will do so, trust me. I exited my AMPY trade If you guys listened to my video on Friday, I talked about it. I entered at $1.05, then I cost averaged at $1 when it dropped at 5 cents. And then it went up 12% today. I did not expect a quick jump like that. I thought maybe it would be later in the week or maybe midweek. So I bought a lot of shares, and this was really nice profits for me by 10:30 a.m. on Monday to pass on. I know it might go up, and then people will say, oh, you already sold, you could have just held. No, I'm good. I might make my different entrance at $1.20 and then sell at $1.40. So these are the ones I go in and I go out and I just make quick profits. And these can be very juicy depending on percentage of this particular stock going up. I got a lot of stocks that I hold, I'm not touching. That's when it comes to mining. And it's not just mining. There are some international stocks. There is a couple of other different sectors that I will go over in my future videos. But I will set you guys up in a way that I believe you will not lose. Because I'm looking at the 52-week lows for certain stocks that have good dividends, the ones that you want to hold. For instance, in March, April, a lot of stocks, everything was selling off. So I'm looking at that price. If there is a stock right now that's $10 and it was at $3 back in April, and the 52-week high is at 15, so it looks kind of appealing to jump in at 10, even though it seems like it's a blue chip quality stock. Well, I might wait a little bit and have that cash available to use into nice core position setup as your portfolio. So all of that I will be going over, but for right now, yes, I exited AMPY again, and this one, it's just a gift that keeps on giving. It's probably one of the most dangerous ones to hold, but to have that sweet spot between $1, $1.20, $1.50, it is just a beautiful thing. So that's it for me today. I will, before I go, I will finish off with this. This is slightly off subject when it comes to obviously markets and stuff, even though everything that happens geopolitically, everything that happens around you is connected with the stock market. But this new shooting now that took place in Kenosha, Wisconsin, it happened last night. I will post the video of this. Just bear in mind, it's very graphic. You can have your take on it. The bottom line is, I believe this is it. Okay, we are right now officially entering civil war. You guys prepare, have that ammo ready, and try to be as much as you can away from a lot of crowds. This is, again, everything I say, it's not what to do, it's what I'm doing, even though it sounds like I'm telling you what to do. So all this stuff will be posted down below. Take a look at it. God bless you all, and we will win. We're going to win so big, you're going to get tired of winning. You're going to say, please, the new American conservatives, stop winning. I had enough. Yes, that will happen. Take care, and remember, share these videos. If you don't like them, put thumbs down. I don't care. Say something. Take care.